Hi everybody, this is Sean Cole from Sean Cole Enterprises. I just want to take some time out today and discuss with you the company Royalty. Royalty has been around roughly about 2 years, not quite 2 years, and they are making big moves in the industry of advertising and marketing. I was a member of Royalty right at the beginning, but I chose to leave. They had some customer service issues back then that they have since worked out, and they are now a prime time mover in the industry as far as customer service and products that they offer. I've been back with Royalty now for a couple weeks, and I've sent in some support tickets, and they have been very responsive to any question that I have, and which is a big improvement on what they were a little over a year ago. And I would say that they are at the top of the market as far as the proximity marketing and lead generation and content collection for marketing purposes in that niche. They are the top of the line company right now. They are very supportive of their staff, of their affiliates, and they take real good care of their people. Um, right now, I want to talk about one of their products that they have, which is the uplink. And basically, what uplink is, it allows solo entrepreneurs, small businesses, cafe owners, bar owners, bakery owners, anybody that has a brick and mortar location. It gives them the opportunity to offer their guests mobile Wi-Fi, which is big. That puts the small guy on the same playing field as the big guys as far as lead collections from customers that come into your store, your location. And it works like this. Basically, once you have a device which you can attach to your router, or it's like I say, if you're a solo entrepreneur and you just need to collect leads, you want to collect leads offline, through this router over here. It connects to your smartphone. This is the smaller one, which is the portable uplink device. And let's say if you have the bigger router where it connects into your Wi-Fi system in your brick and mortar store, you can have signs around your location stating that you offer your guests free mobile Wi-Fi. And when they search for the Wi-Fi, it will show up on their cell phone like this here. And like I said, it allows you to collect contact information from everyone that logs in, because they have to give up their information to get access to your Wi-Fi. Even Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other social media type information that you want to collect, or just your generic name and email, so that you could market to them and to get them to come back to your location and to do business with you again. Like I said, it's a powerful tool for marketing to keep in constant contact with your customers, and by giving value, you're receiving value in return. That's a motto that I like to stick by, because it works. It works in sales, it works in marketing, it works in advertising. You have to give in order to receive, and also, like I said, it allows you to maintain constant contact with your customers. Bring them in on big sales. You can send coupons, special offers, anything to get them to come back into your establishment, which is the big thing right now. So mobile uplink is very powerful. I use it. I believe you should use it also. Um, it comes at a decent at a very cheap monthly rate, and every business should have it. If you want your store on the same level playing fields as, say, the Starbucks or the Panera Breads or the Dunkin' Donuts or the big tire store, the Goodyears in your market, if you need to compete with them, you need to be offering mobile Wi-Fi to your customers while they wait for your service. To get the Royaltie Uplink device and service, the links will be down in the description below this video, or you can give me a call. Again, it's Sean Cole Enterprises. That's 410-929-3390. Thank you. If you like the content of this video, drop me a like, subscribe to my station for more information on how you can grow your business. Thank you. Have a great day.